Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to share your Cash App payment link using your unique hashtag. That's fast way to receive money from anyone. First, open Cash App on your mobile device, then tap on your profile icon to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see your personal hashtag, which is your unique username or Cash App. Your Cashtag automatically generates a payment link which looks like this. You can copy this link and share it anywhere you want to via WhatsApp, Instagram bio, Messenger, email, or even on a website. Anyone with this link can easily send you money directly to your Cash App balance. And that's it. Now you know how to share your Cashtag app link quickly and securely using your Cashtag. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more smart tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.